listen up, back on the street.
Si te gusta el contenido de liderazgo y ver cómo manejamos cosas de McDonald's, suscríbete para que no te pierdas el próximo video.
Hey, good morning, my friends. Today is our last session for the Big Arch training here in my organization. Got everybody trained that's going to pass it on to their individual restaurants. So after today, we should be 100% selling this awesome, tasty burger. If you haven't tried it, man, I will show you some pictures of what it looks like. It's huge and it's awesome. Y'all gonna love it. What are you guys doing to train your people to make sure that we're executing this at a gold standard? All right, my friends, let me know, and I will see y'all on the next one.